In this video, we'll show how to write HTML inside Java doc comments. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the comment, to the Java doc comment that we've written here. And I'd like to add HTML to make this bold. So basically, I'm just going to use HTML tags right in the middle of this Java doc document or Java comment. And then I also would like to create an ordered list instead of hard coding the values 1 and 2, and then I'll use listed items instead of the value 1. And making sure to close these off. I'll do that here. And making sure to also close off our ordered list HTML tag. I'm going to click save, and then let's run the Java doc tool again. Let's come back to our documentation. So previously, that's what we had it looking like. But now that we've added HTML code, let's refresh and see how that looks way better. So I've got bold here, and we've also used the listed item, which we've actually used OL to create this clean numbered list. So that's pretty much it. We've simply just added HTML to our Java doc or Java doc comment. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.